Here's the counter piston after cherry bombing it, meaning it was heated cherry red and then quenched in oil. It ended up about 1/1000th of an inch bigger than it had been, which was a good start, but it was a little bit too large to fit back into the top of the cylinder where it came out. Here I am on my antique lathe making a little mandrel to mount it on so I can hone and polish it down to a size that gets it back into the cylinder. It ended up a little small again, but better than it had been, and I decided just to leave it alone, and I fabricated a locking lever for the compression screw. Ouch. Out of fuel.